Hello, Jay here for 5-Star Marine. Now, if you want to know what the weather's doing for the first week of March, then watch this video because our famous meteorologist Sean is going to tell us what the weather's doing for the rest of this week. Sean, what's the weather doing?
Thanks for that, Jay, and welcome to this week's weather forecast. If this is your first time watching this, we do a weekly weather forecast because guess what? In Phuket, the apps are never right, and Jay will tell you why.
Well done!
But he's run away.
No, I didn't go away. I was just getting... Oh, Sean, what's that?
Someone bought one of those this week. I saw it.
Well, I asked Phang Nga Ding Dong to put some white ones down because our shop has run out of white ones and she hasn't, so we're going to fire her.
Anyway, why do the apps not work in Phuket?
The apps don't work anywhere around the world because weather apps are just weather apps. But we use them still to tell you, so I'm not sure why we say this.
I think essentially on our end, what we really do is we look at the wind.
Windy!
Because the wind is what's going to tell us what's going to happen during the week.
Are you going to ask me a question again?
Probably, yeah.
I'm going to have to come back.
And the wind's going to tell us what we think the sea is going to do, the potential for possible rain, and where we should take the boat. So, welcome to March.
Hello, March!
We're actually filming this in February, so I'm a little confused.
No, don't confuse them.
Okay, we're not allowed to.
It was windy this week, last week it was very windy.
So, looking at Sunday.
Yes, Sunday.
In the morning, we have a green wind, and green wind means...
Windy.
Blue means...
Not so windy.
Yellow wind means...
Really windy.
Wear a helmet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And purple.
So we have a little bit
of
green.
purple? Purple means amazing.
So this time of year, the wind comes from Koh Samui, coming this way across the screen, which means that sometimes on the way out to Phi Phi we have a bit of a bump because we're going against the wind, and then on the way back we have a easier ride. And this also means sometimes that the way back is faster than the way out.
What? How does that work?
Just with the wind behind the boat.
Okay.
On Sunday morning, a little windy. Going into Sunday afternoon, it is a flat afternoon. We're looking like lake-like conditions on the way back on Sunday. That's beautiful.
Sorry, I'm looking at your brainstorming to-do list. It's quite good, isn't it? It's a mind map to-do list.
Yeah.
That's quite interesting.
I've been trying to do that daily.
My name's on there that says fire me. Although there's a C word there. I misread that word then. I won't repeat what it is. Anyway, go on. What's happening on Sunday afternoon or Monday? Where are we now?
Monday morning. We have no high wind, where it's all nice and blue. Basically, if you want to go anywhere on tour, Monday you can go to all destinations, including for the first time, we're going to recommend you can go to Similan.
What? We never say that.
Remember last year I was going to Similan in March quite a lot.
Yes, you did.
Shout out to White Lotus.
Oh yes, hello White Lotus. We've not mentioned that before.
And also shout out to Jason Isaacs, who gave us a great mention in an article which Miguel is going to put up here.
Is he?
I nearly used the other editor's
yes,
name again.
You've got to remember the editor. He's been a long time now. Poor Miguel gets very sad about it.
Yes! Oh my God, yes!
I want to know where I can...
He's always sad.
And here's a photo of us out at Similan with the cast.
Not me.
Yeah, Jay wasn't invited. Monday afternoon, nice and low wind. Look, actually, I'm going to give you a hint. I looked at this before I filmed it, and I know that this week is going to be a great week on the sea. So I'm going to go through every day just so that you can see it as well.
The first week of March is going to be awesome.
Yeah, very, very good week to go out on the sea. And it's school holidays, right? Kids
no, come on, May. That was last week.
Lucas is in school holidays.
Different schools. International schools. I know, tell me about it. But that does mean the traffic will ease off the next week then.
Yeah. Oh, you know, I went to Robinson last night.
Did you go to Taco Bell?
Yes.
Other tacos are available, of course. Was it any good or not?
Lucas loves it.
What do you think?
I had a crispy chicken taco.
I saw that one advertised.
And it was quite yummy.
How expensive was it?
It's like $299.
That's quite pricey for a taco.
Really?
Yeah. It's £5. That's £5, so that's $1,000 US.
And I was playing the motorbikes with Lucas and
Excuse me?
You know, like they have an arcade there.
In Taco Bell?
No, next to Taco Bell.
Oh, right.
And also Captain America's just come out. I want to go watch it.
In Taco Bell? What, is gay? Captain America came out in Taco Bell while riding a motorbike.
Little windy Tuesday afternoon, but nothing to worry about. And you can see that, actually, Jay, this is interesting.
Are you going to watch Captain America?
I would like to.
I'm not interested in
that.
that.
I'm a very, very big fan of Marvel films.
Are you?
Just because I love to see, you know, one of our friends filmed...
Weather's coming soon.
One of our friends filmed Miss Marvel during COVID.
One of our friends?
Yeah, Living Films, Chris Lowenstein, he filmed it.
I've only met him online.
He assessed your kids for their Deadpool and Wolverine pictures.
Yes, that's what I said. I only met him online.
He's a nice guy.
Anyway, carry on. What's Tuesday happening?
Wednesday, low wind
Wednesday.
in the morning.
Do we miss Tuesday?
Well, I did. I was going to talk to you about... Look at the direction of the wind.
It's coming from the wrong way.
Yes, it's
what?
interesting to watch. Normally we wouldn't see this time of year. So obviously it's an earlier change. Wednesday, the wind's still coming from the same direction, but nice and low. A little bit higher in the afternoon. Thursday, nice and low in the morning.
Look at that.
Beautiful in the afternoon. Moving forward to Friday, also good wind.
It's Friday.
Look at it.
Hey, do you remember that song, Sean?
No,
Sean, stop.
Look at it. It's
What?
purple.
Love Purple. Do you remember that song? It's
You know,
Friday.
this is good
Would
for
you remember that song?
Yes, I do.
Friday. Rebecca Black. Friday.
This wind condition is very good for you.
Why?
Because you're having to be a cast trainer on a boat in March, and this condition is
Oh, I've got
perfect
to
for
tell you something as well. I need to book you for the 27th of March.
Oh,
So are we filming that?
Yeah, we're filming.
Oh no, we're in trouble. Shouldn't have this conversation on.
We're filming
Not
March.
weather.
We're filming March 17th to April 17th.
Oh right. Could be in
So
trouble.
if you are looking to book a boat to get out with us, I would recommend you book early. March and April will be very busy dates.
Are we busy March and April?
Because our fleet will be servicing a movie out in Phang Nga.
Woo! Movie time.
Moving forward to Saturday, nice and low conditions. Actually, all week, if you want to go anywhere at any time, recommend that you head on out. PP's looking great this time of year, as is Simulan, Koh Rock, Koh Ha. We even had a boat this week in Koh Kradan.
I haven't been to Crocodile for years. 3 years ago I went to Crocodile.
Well, Jason Isaacs was there, and
Yeah,
he recommended
Jason
it.
Isaac went there for White Lotus.
You did tell me, SEO,
White
we're
Lotus.
going to mention
You know
White Lotus a
Lotus,
lot.
I mentioned White Lotus.
I've had so many messages from Sean saying, can you write about White Lotus? Do this about White Lotus. I said, I've not even seen it. I've not seen it. I shouldn't say that, should I? I loved it. It was really good. The first... How many episodes have come out?
3.
The first 3 episodes were brilliant.
So this is Windy. This is one of the apps we use. Another app that we use is AccuWeather.
It's not that accurate.
Essentially, we just have a quick snap look at it and say, oh yeah, it looks like it's going to be
It's
sunny.
it's an overview of the temperature. Because we're in the tropics, the temperature is going to be between 30 and 34 most days.
And the other thing that we do is on the day of the tour, we look at the live radar just to see if there's any
Pointless!
rain.
This is pointless!
As of today, there's
no
nothing out
point.
there.
We're recording this on Friday.
But what's going to happen is Jay's going to grab the camera, he's going to go out there
All
and
right.
show you how beautiful
Hold
it is.
on.
Like, subscribe, comment. If you have a question about a specific date that you want to know the weather for,
Hold on,
drop
Sean.
it below and
Keep
we'll
going.
do it for you.
And... Oh!
To you, Jay.
I'm going. Da-da-da, we're going outside. We're going out. There's someone. Hi, someone. We're going outside. Oh, there's a briefing going on. I can't shout. Hello, intern. Look, there's a briefing going on. Hello, briefing. And look at the weather. It's beautiful. There you go. Live weather. Boat's going out. What a lovely day. All good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.